Hello and welcome to Wax is Dead. Thank you for choosing one of our Wax is Dead certified installers to apply our next-gen ceramic coating to your vehicle. We appreciate your trust in our products and services. After your ceramic coating installation, you would have received your aftercare guide and hanger sign, which explains the initial steps to take going forward with your vehicle in the upcoming weeks. The aftercare guide outlines essential instructions to follow during the curing period and provides valuable tips on how to maintain your vehicle's coating for the long term. It's a vital resource to ensure you get the most out of your ceramic coating investment. Also, you should have received a warranty card with your unique code. This code is crucial, as you'll need this to register your warranty via our online portal. Registering your warranty gives you peace of mind and allows us to offer you the best support and assistance throughout the coating's lifespan. Please make sure this is complete within 7 days of installation. Failure to submit your warranty within the given timeframe will void any future warranty claims with the install. So, if you haven't already, please take a moment to register your warranty online. Let's look into the steps to carry out the correct maintenance wash using the manufacturer's recommended aftercare products specially designed to work alongside the ceramic coating on your vehicle. Gather the following pieces of equipment to ensure a successful maintenance wash. You'll need 3 buckets with 3 grit guards, high quality microfiber wash mitt, a soft microfiber drying towel, and a pressure washer with snow foam lance attachment. Also make sure you have the manufacturer's recommended aftercare products. For this, we recommend Wax is Dead Aftercare Maintenance Kit, along with the Wax is Dead 5-litre snow foam and a bottle of stink. Okay. Let's get prepared to start our maintenance wash. Fill 1 bucket with warm water and add the recommended amount of Wax is Dead pH balanced shampoo. This will be our soapy wash bucket. Fill the 2nd and 3rd buckets with clean water, and these will be our rinse and wheel buckets. We will also fill the snow foam lance with the recommended dilution ratio of up to 100:1, but this can be adjusted for thickness. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your vehicle with water to remove loose dirt and debris. Make sure to cover all areas, including the wheels and the wheel arches. Let's add the extra layers of cleaning power by applying our stink iron fallout remover. Apply a generous layer of the product to the wheels. Make sure to cover the area for maximum effect. This will help lift and dissolve any brake dust buildup. Using a snow foam lance attachment, apply a generous layer of snow foam to the entire vehicle. Make sure to cover every area for maximum cleaning coverage. Our Wax is Dead snow foam helps to loosen and lift dirt and grime, making the washing process even more effective. While the snow foam is breaking down the surface contamination, we will go ahead and clean the wheels using the 3rd bucket and our wheel brushes. The wheels will clean up easily due to the ceramic coating layer, but we do recommend using our Wax is Dead stink to tackle any brake dust buildup you might have. You can do this every other wash. Once the wheels have been cleaned and the snow foam dwell time is up, rinse off the remaining foam using your pressure washer. You'll notice that a significant amount of dirt and grime has already been removed, leaving your vehicle primed to continue the maintenance wash. Snow foaming is an excellent way to start your maintenance wash and ensure you have a clean canvas to work with. Now, let's move on to the next step, the 2-bucket wash method. Dip your wash mitt into the soapy water and starting from the top, gently wash the vehicle section by section. Remember to rinse the mitt in the clean water bucket after each section to prevent dirt from contaminating the soapy water. Once you've washed the entire vehicle, give it a thorough rinse to remove any remaining soap residue. Once you've rinsed off the shampoo residue and the vehicle is now thoroughly cleaned, it's time to take your ceramic maintenance to the next level. We're going to apply the Wax is Dead specially formulated ceramic foam through the snow foam lance. Ceramic foam is designed to clean the surface and maintain the performance of your ceramic coating, reviving any of its hydrophobic properties, which may have been affected while also enhancing its water beading capabilities. This will also help your vehicle maintain that just coated look and add an extra layer of protection. Start by shaking the ceramic foam bottle well to ensure the product is thoroughly mixed. Then mix the recommended dilution of 100 ml product to 200 ml water into the lance. Now, using the foam lance attachment, evenly apply the Wax is Dead ceramic foam to the entire vehicle, just like you did with the snow foam. Please note, this is not meant to come out thick like snow foam. Let the ceramic foam dwell for up to a minute This allows the product to clean and bond with the existing ceramic coating, ensuring a deep and long-lasting effect. Once the ceramic foam has started to break apart, which usually takes up to a minute, you will see the surface start to bead, repelling the remainder of the foam. Then rinse off the ceramic foam thoroughly, revealing a refreshed and rejuvenated ceramic coated surface. We recommend doing this at least once every 6 months. By incorporating waxisdead ceramic foam into your maintenance routine, you're giving your vehicle ceramic coating an extended lease on life, repairing its hydrophobic properties if required, but also maintaining its impeccable performance and stunning appearance. To avoid water spots and swell marks, gently dry your vehicle using a soft microfiber drying towel. Drag the towel gently over the surface to minimise the risk of damaging the ceramic coating, or use a blower if you have one, which is a great way of touchless drying. And there you have it, your waxisdead ceramic coated vehicle looking like new. Regular maintenance washes like this will keep your coating looking fantastic and protected for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this maintenance wash guide has been helpful in preserving your waxisdead ceramic coating. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our customer support team or find our frequently asked questions located on our website. And once again, thank you for choosing waxisdead.